pit them. Yeah, you gotta pit them. You gotta pit them. You have to pit them. They gotta be. Yeah, pin them to the guardrail, bro.
Trying to get somebody killed? You're driving northbound in the southbound lanes.
The driver was arrested for DUI, nearly twice the legal limit. Felony interference with government property, reckless driving, hidden. How many times must we say this? If you are going out somewhere, make sure you have a designated driver or Uber or something. You being that drunk where you're driving on the wrong side of the road can get someone killed. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at again with another video. So I'm gonna check out Lamborghini hits 137 miles per hour, then gets karma. Driving fails, learn how to drive, episode 1588. I think I may have seen like a clip of this particular situation on Instagram. I'm not sure, but I could be wrong on this one. But nevertheless, look, if you're in a very expensive sports car, you kind of have to drive differently. Yes, I get it. You are in a very fast vehicle, but if you're on open road or, on the highway and there's a little bit of traffic or whatever the case may be, you got to be aware that you can't just go out there doing 150. You feel me? It's one that's not going to be safe because a lot of times these roads are, they're a little bumpy. You're in a very low vehicle. Anything can happen. And two, cops are going to be out, and it's easy to, go fast in these vehicles, and these cops are going to be waiting for you. Not saying don't have your fun. You just got to be smart about how you have your fun. But nevertheless, we're going to check this out. Appreciate all love, support. Let's get right into the shenanigans, man. If he'll play. Oh. I hate when people do that. They wait till the last minute. Granny messed up her whip. Who would be at fault? What is they doing? I don't know why they tried to go when they clearly saw her crossing. Damn, you can tell they hit their brakes. Damn, somebody getting fired. And they probably wasn't looking up at enough time because clearly they probably were already stopped. Somebody getting fired for sure. It just turned a little bit too hard. Yep. Bow. Yep. That's all on them. Can't blame nobody but themselves. Oh damn! Did they not see that? Saw this coming, but the truck driver seemed to move out as he approached, so I figured they saw the lift. I stopped and made sure everyone was all right. Yeah, my boy's just over there working on the lift.
Choosing to boycott the U.S. Canadians are voting with their feet and not buying. Holiday in the U.S. Canadians are voting with their wallets and not buying U.S.
Yep, several vehicles were turning left on a green arrow when a sedan collided with the rear passenger side area of another sedan.
I think Canadians would support a strong position from the government of Canada.
They jamming Thriller.
What the
Yeah, come on, bro. Almost got taken out by an idiot doing an illegal pass on a double yellow coming around a turn on a hill to compound it. Luckily, I was going just a bit under the speed limit and had my sun visor down, allowing me to react in time.
God.
Good. Never cross over on the double lines, bro. Never do that. All right. Everything seems good. Everything seems chill. Nothing could possibly go wrong. They ran the fucking light. So, yep. Yep, they ran the light. That's a simple situation. Oh no, they lost control. Hydroplane. You gotta be careful on these roads, bro. That's saw the truck changing lane, so I slowed down to give him some space. It seemed like that decision actually saved me. I hope everyone involved is fine. Baltimore, Maryland. Gotta be careful in these slippery conditions, y'all. Yep, I've seen this clip. Yep.
Yeah,
I mean, buddy was moving.
Turnpike approaching the 408. It's gonna be a red. It's like a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's cooked. Yeah, he's cooked.
Shut up.
Yep.
Shut it up.
Yep. Yeah, he's cooked. They're gonna definitely go ahead and impound his car, bro. They may even take his license. Oh yeah, and this in Florida. Oh, they don't play that shit no more. You going that fast? Oh, it's GG's for you, bro. Not only are they taking you to jail immediately, they're taking your car, and honestly, they can keep your car. Unless you have a good lawyer, they can actually keep your car now. And you're just out of luck. You're cooked. Yep, 137 miles an hour in Lamborghini. That was our motors unit. What our motor unit encountered during a super speeder stop this morning. Our efforts to curb super speeding continues every day. Let's go.
So you know you're being placed under arrest for dangerous excessive speed. You're gonna be transported to the Orange County Jail.
Yep.
I'm towing your car.
Yep, that's it.
Don't go too close because you want to have one.
Back when my 15-year-old asked if she can drive the rest of the way home. And I thought to myself, what's the worst could happen? It's usually the famous final words.
Okay, just turn it. Slowly start pushing on the brakes. Start pushing on the brakes.
Oh no. Oh no.
No, it's a brake.
Oh. Look at them eyes. Them eyes told it all, bro. She got nervous. Oh, no. Oh. Well, I don't know if I guess, but he has to stop. So I don't know. Now, if they break checking you over here, then there's an issue. Alright, get over it. Yeah, I don't know what they doing.
What the is wrong with you?
Oh, he started yelling? Okay, yeah.
Even their chopper network.
I think this is a road rage.
You'll be able to see how
leaving through traffic. That's one of the newer Chargers. Or Challengers, my bad. Oh yeah, they moving.
I keep looking like a car.
What are you up to, man? What? What are you doing, man?
You're a hero?
What are you doing, man?
What?
Yeah, you're a dumb.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Let's go.
What's wrong?
Haul ass, let's go.
What's wrong?
Haul ass.
Haul ass?
No, you're being a dumbass.
I'm just moving over on my way.
Dude, stop, dude. We're not stupid.
I was just driving the speed limit and was passing a slower driver on the left. The guy behind didn't like that and flew around to say something.
Go.
You?
Go ahead, go.
Okay, I am.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
I like how calm he was. He was just like, what's going on, bro?
I'll check, come close to me.
Oh, damn.
I'm getting money like
Whoa. I don't really have any other updates after that. What the fuck? That's on some GTA 6 server type stuff right there, bro. All right. This looks like it merges into one lane. Yeah, this merges. Oh, come on, bro. You had enough time. Maybe they didn't realize it. That's on you. You got to pay attention to the road signs.
Nice to meet you.
That's on them. Why would they fucking turn? What? Why are we doing this right now? Oh shit! Come on, bro. I don't know why they decided to turn at that very precise moment. Like, what are we doing, bro? Did they just hold on. The situational awareness is at 0. They're next to a police. It is a red, they have a red light. And they just say fuck it and run the red light right next to a police. I know that officer was like, ain't no way this motherfucker doing this right now. Are you serious? Like, look at this. Don't mind me, I'm just run the red light. Yeah, get him. Give him a ticket, bro. Because that's just stupid. Why would you give him a ticket?
They did substitute everything. So.
All right, gotta yield. Make sure it's good to go.
Can you get out of the tree? Like,
what are they doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nah, she's rage baiting. Look, and then she runs back.
What are we doing, bro?
Does she want to die?
All right, slippery conditions on the ice. Whoa. Good evasive maneuvers, as much as you possibly could. The driver of the Mustang was showing off to his girlfriend and lost traction in the snow. We exchanged information, but I never pursued it because it wasn't worth it. What do you mean you never pursued it? If they hit your car, what the fuck you talking about? Unless you don't care about your car like that? No. I don't give a fuck if he's showing off to his girl. That's on him. Why are you showing off to your girl in fucking snowy conditions? Nah. Insurance, trade our information, get my shit fixed if you hit my car. What are we talking about? Wasn't worth it. Hey, maybe you feel like it wasn't worth it. I wouldn't. You gonna fix my fucking car because you're at fault. What are we talking about? Wasn't worth it. Come on, why are you merging over at the last minute? What are you doing? What are they doing? Are they on drugs? Like, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, bro. What is happening? Why are they driving on the wrong side of the road? At night? Are they drunk?
510 radio. Prepare to
They gotta be impaired or something, bro. They're literally driving on the wrong side of the road at night. Yeah, you're gonna have to pit them. Yeah, you gotta pit them. You gotta pit them. You have to pit them. They gotta be. Yeah, pin them to the guardrail, bro.
Trying to get somebody killed? You're driving northbound in the southbound lanes.
The driver was arrested for DUI, nearly twice the legal limit, felony interference with government property, reckless driving, hidden. How many times must we say this? If you are going out somewhere, make sure you have a designated driver or Uber or something. You being that drunk where you're driving on the wrong side of the road can get someone killed. I have seen this story, unfortunately, too many times where someone was drunk and they ended up hitting someone head on. And the person that was drunk, they were fine. Probably left the accident with no scratches while the other person or other occupants in the other vehicle end up dead. How many times have we seen this story? And your dumbass, in your infinite wisdom, decided, you know what? I'm going to drive back wherever I'm going drunk, and you're driving on the wrong side of the damn road. Lock her up, bro. Get her out of here, bro. Get her out of here.
You're on the wrong side of the interstate.
Get her
You're
ass.
under arrest.
Yeah, bro. She's a dum-dum. That was stupid. And I'm sorry I got a little bit upset about that because I've seen these stories and it's messed up. People losing their families because someone was just too careless enough to say, you know what? Hey, maybe someone needs to drive me. Maybe I need to catch an Uber. Or here's a thought. Maybe not get too messed up. I know younger people be all about turning up and having as many shots and drinks. And this is coming from someone that used to do that. But I also understand that those things were dangerous and not what's up. So I don't even partake in going places where I'm getting that messed up, because a lot of times I like to be able to drive home whenever I'm ready to leave. But I don't partake in that, and I don't encourage others to partake in that, because it's dangerous. Because stuff like this can happen, and then someone could lose their life doing everything the right way, and they die because of your careless actions, bro. Do better, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know some other car-related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. Appreciate all the love, support. Road to 200K. Appreciate y'all kicking with me. See you on the next one. Peace.